I'm Enos Lucero and we are talking about the iPhone 4 from Apple Inc. Let me ask you a question. Do you have an HD video camera? Do you have a picture camera, a cell phone, iPad, or an MP3 player? Of course you have. In the 24th century, they are everywhere. But what you don't have is a device that combines them all into one. The iPhone 4 from Apple. Now, it's $99 from Apple.com with their brand new design with 24% thinner than the original Apple, a thinner profile and ultra-fast wireless. Now, iPhone is even bigger on productivity. Apple introduced the new software, the iMessage, a new text speed message that lets you send and receive video message, pictures, and many more. It will let you know when and where you receive the text. Apple also introduced their brand new video call called FaceTime. You can now see the people you are calling using the front and the rear camera. Let's talk about the iPhone camera. iPhone 4 camera has a 5 megapixel rear camera and 2 megapixel front camera. Good for taking pictures and videos. So, is the iPhone 4 the device you want? No, it's a device you need.